Hello, so today we're going to demonstrate the discrete defect test on the ORT Cloud application. So you can see here we're logged into the application under our dummy user and we are inside the tests module. We're going to select the discrete defect test. This is the test you use for clear-cut good versus bad product on a product audit. So product that doesn't meet standards versus product that does. So we're going to select our bottling line, we're going to select our capper, and the product in this case is just beer. We're going to launch the test, and you can see in here, it gives you the option of adding a run ID. If you have these tied to specific batch runs of product, you can define in the system that you need to associate them with. That information is available here. In this drop down, we're going to start the test. You get a new test ID up there. Let's say that the first 13 of these are going to be good, and then we're going to have a bad one. When you click the defective product button, it's going to make you select a reason for the defective product. So let's see, unsealed cap this time. Then we have a couple more good ones. We'll have a missing or incorrect label, a couple more good ones, and then one more unsealed cap. And then the rest will be good. When you get to 30, it tells you sufficient samples have been collected. You can go ahead and end the test. Remember, our test ID is 411 here, so we go back to tests. If we want to see completed test data, you come here. This gives you a dashboard where you can filter all the raw data that's collected by the tests. It's going to automatically be populated with the most recent test you performed here. So in our case, 411, you can see the raw data here. If you have another BI tool or you have Excel tools you want to use to analyze this data, you can export to CSV file, which is editable in Excel. If you go back to tests, we also have built-in reports for this. So if you go to reports, single test, and you select discrete product test, or discrete defect test rather, you can see we have our report right there. It's going to automatically filter to your most recent test ID on the top there. If we run the report, you can see here are our results, breakdown of good versus defective, and then the different types of defects, and then where in the test they occurred. And this is printable. You can save it off as a PDF. So these are, or this is rather, an example of the discrete defect test that is available on the ORT Cloud application. If you'd like to learn more, email us at info@theortcloud.com. Thank you very much.